Welcome to my YouTube channel, Little Yoga Star Priti. Please subscribe my channel to get the latest notification for the new videos. Today we will discuss about some important general knowledge, current affairs, which will be beneficial for all competitive exams. Let's start. First question: who was the first president of India? The answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Next question: which country has recently launched CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? The answer is China. China recently launched a CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train. Next question is: which institute has developed needle-free shock syringes for painless injection? The answer is IIT Bombay. Next question is: विवाद से विश्वास scheme is associated with which sector? विवाद से विश्वास. The answer is taxation. The next question is: where was India's first glass bridge inaugurated? First glass bridge of India. The answer is Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. At Kanyakumari, the first glass bridge of India was inaugurated. Next question is: according to the recent RBI report, what is the estimated GDP growth of India in 2024-25? The answer is 6.6%. Next question is: the Uttarakhand government has developed a Mahabharat Batika in which place? Mahabharat Batika. The answer is Hadwani. Next question is: which country has abolished the death penalty in January 2025? Which country has abolished the death penalty in January 2025? The answer is Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe has recently abolished the death penalty. The next question is, which state is the host of National SARS Mela 2025? The answer is Kerala. Next question. What is the rank of India in tobacco industry? What is the rank of India in tobacco industry? The right answer is second. Next question. Which state government recently launched a 15-day campaign to promote reading culture among students? Which state government recently launched a 15-day campaign to promote reading culture among students? Answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra government recently launched a 15-day campaign to promote reading culture among students. Next question. Scrub typhus is caused by which agent? Scrub typhus is caused by which agent? The right answer is bacteria. Scrub typhus is caused by bacteria. Next question. What kind of disease is Parkinson? What kind of disease is Parkinson? Right answer is a neurological disorder. Parkinson is a neurological disorder. Next question. Which state inaugurated Mukhyamantri Gramin Solar Street Light Scheme? Which state inaugurated Mukhyamantri Gramin Solar Street Light Scheme? The right answer is Bihar. Next question. Simachalam temple is located in which state? Simachalam temple is located in which state? The right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Simachalam temple is located in Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Gangasagar Mela, India's second largest fair after Kumbh Mela, is celebrated in which state? Gangasagar Mela, India's second largest fair after Kumbh Mela, is celebrated in which state? The right answer is West Bengal. Gangasagar Mela is celebrated in West Bengal. Next question. Who is the main architect of the Ram Mandira, Ajodhya? Who is the main architect of the Ram Mandira, Ajodhya? The right answer is Chandrakant Sampura. Chandrakant Sampura is the main architect of the Ram Mandir, Ajodhya. The next question. Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in which state? In which state the Ajanta and the Ellora caves are located? The right answer is Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora caves are located in Maharashtra. Next question. Which is the largest Indian state by area? Which is the largest Indian state by area? Right answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest Indian state by area. Next question. Which is the largest Indian state by population? Which is the largest Indian state by population? The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the largest Indian state by population. Next question. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? The right answer is Bochendri Pal. Bochendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Next question. In which year the first passenger train ran in India? In which year the first passenger train ran in India? The right answer is 1853. The first passenger train ran in India in the year 1853. Next, we will discuss about some current affairs later. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more notification. Thank you all.